For someone who has very little knowledge on plants, I'm really happy to show you that I was able to repot my Nasturtiums and my Marigolds. I've got a little bit more work to do on it, but you can see that it's been repotted. I'm also pretty bummed out to share that I think it's over for my chamomile. I have no idea what's going on with it, and yeah, I've got the process of my repotting going on, so let me know what you guys think, if I'm able to save the chamomile or not. But there's a couple of sprouts in here that I think are still doing all right, so I've got hope that it will be all right. We'll see.